Hello students, today we start the forest law in India. So this is second part of your unit second. As you know, the India is a tropical country, but the Gangetic Plains lies outside these tropics. These in India there is a monsoonic climate, and due to this depending on the climate, the vegetations are mainly divided into four types, that is tropical, subtropical, temperate and alpine. And this India, or the forest of India, it covers about the 21% of the area in the India. These multiple choice question are asking on this point. So let's start about the types of forest. So in India, there are 5 different types of forest are present. First one is the tropical forest. So this tropical forest is again divided into two types, that is tropical moist forest and tropical dry forest. So this tropical moist forest is again differentiated into four types, that is tropical rainforest, tropical moist semi-evergreen forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, and littoral and swamp forest. Then second one is the tropical dry forest. The tropical dry forest is again subdivided into two types, tropical dry evergreen forest, tropical thorn forest. So this is tropical forest. Second type is the subtropical mountain forest. These are subdivided into two types, that is wet hill broad-leaved forest and pine forest. Then third type of forest is the temperate mountain forest. In that, the Himalayan moss temperate forest are included. Then fourth one is the sub-alpine forest, and last one is the alpine forest, which is in the Himalayan regions. So let's discuss one by one types of forest. So tropical forest, having the great majority area covered by the tropical forest in India. These first subtypes of tropical forest is the tropical moist forest. So moist, that means wetness of the area. So according to the wetness of this area, the forests are differentiated into four types. So four subtypes. First one is the tropical rainforest, which is also called as the tropical moist or evergreen forest. So mostly in that area, rainfall is more than 250 millimeters, and the vegetations or the plants of that area are the big trees, then shrubs, lianas, that means climber plants, and epiphytes. Epiphytes, that means those plants which are growing on the another plants. So these are the epiphytes. So in that area, various plants like big trees, shrubs, lianas, and epiphytes are present. The region or of these forests are the Andaman, then Nicobar, Western Coast, Karnataka, some Annamalai Hills, Assam, and Bengal. Then second subtype of tropical moist is the tropical moist semi-evergreen forest. So in that area, the rainfall is 200 to 250 millimeters, and the vegetations or the plants of that area are the intermixed deciduous and evergreen species of trees and shrubs. Deciduous plants, that means those plants जिस प्लांट्स में जो लीव्स फॉल होता है उसे डेसिडियस प्लांट कहते हैं, और एवरग्रीन जो ऑल सीजन ग्रीन प्लांट्स रहते हैं उसे एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स बोलते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल टर्मिनालिया, बाम्बूसा, इक्चोरा, in epiphytes, orchids, and some grasses are present in that area. Then third subtype is the tropical moist deciduous forest. In that, the rainfall is about 100 to 200 millimeters, and vegetations mostly the timber yielding plants. For example, timber, that means those woody plants. for example, Tectona, then Terminalia, Grevia, the Albergia. These are the wood yielding or timber yielding plants. They are mostly present in the moist deciduous forest. These moist deciduous forests are present in Deccan Plateau, then at the area of some Mumbai's, Andhra, then some of the Himalayan tracts like Punjab to the Assam region. These moist deciduous forest is present. Then fourth subtype is the littoral and swamp forest. So this means those are beach or tidal forest. जो जो बीच एरिया है, हम जो समुंदर के साइड का जो भी एरिया है उसे हम बीच बोलते। तो बीच का जो बीच फॉरेस्ट है, टाइडल फॉरेस्ट, टाइडल मीन्स जो भी खाड़ी एरिया रहता है जहाँ पे फ्रेश वाटर और जो मराइन वाटर है वो वहाँ पे होता है, जहाँ वहाँ पे टाइडल्स और सम मैनग्रूव्स प्लांट रहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे मैनग्रूव्स फॉरेस्ट उस एरिया को बोला जाता है। तो वहाँ पे मोस्टली दिस इज लिटोरल फॉरेस्ट प्रेजेंट रहता है। और जो फ्रेश वाटर है और फ्रेश वाटर सराउंडिंग दिस फ्रेश वाटर दिस स्वैम्प फॉरेस्ट इज प्रेजेंट। Then second main types of the forest which is present in the India, that is tropical dry forest. This tropical dry forest is again divided in different subtypes. In that, first one is the tropical dry evergreen forest. In that, the plenty rainfall are there, and also there is the longer dry season is present. So according to the climate, the vegetation of that area is very dense. Trees are present, some evergreen and short trees are present there. For example, Ziziphus, Randia, Calotropis, Feronia. These are the plants which are present in the area. Then mostly in the eastern Tamil Nadu and east and west coastal region, these tropical dry evergreen forest is present. Then tropical dry deciduous forest. In that forest, the rainfall is about 17 to 100 millimeters, and the vegetations of that area is long dry season plant and trees remains leafless. For example, acacia, terminalia, moringa, egli, then sterculia. These are the plants which are present in this area. The area of Punjab district, Punjab state, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha, these tropical dry deciduous forests are present. Then tropical thorn forest. Thorn, that means जो spiny plants रहते that type of forest. So in that area rainfall is very low rainfall, that is 20 to 70 millimeter, and climate is very dry and hot and very long. The vegetation of that area is small trees are there with thorny and spiny shrubs are also present on that area. The examples or the plants which are present in this area are acacia, cassia, capparis, euphorbia, butea are the plants which are present in the thorn forest or tropical thorn forest. Mostly the South Punjab, then Rajasthan and Gujarat states, these tropical thorn forests are present. Then second subtypes of these tropical mountain forest or subtropical mountain forest. So in that, high rainfall and temperature between winter and summers are less marked. So these intermediate between tropical forest and temperate forest are present in the subtropical mountain forest. So in that, mostly two types of forest are present. One is the wet hill broad-leaved forest, and second is the pine forest. So wet hill broad leaves मतलब those plants having very broad leaved जो भी plants है, that type of plants are present in this area, mostly in the Mahabaleshwar, Karnataka, Assam and Madhya Pradesh. These forests are found. and the plants like Eugenia, Randia, Ficus, Lantana, then Garcinia, Elegnus, those plants are mostly present in that area. Then pine forest mostly it is present in the Himalaya and Assam hills, and plants like pinus, quercus, then carissa, bahunia are mostly present in that areas. Then third main type of the forest which are present in the India, that is temperate mountain forest. The altitude of that area or that forest is about 1800 to the 3800 meters. So the humidity and temperature of that area are very comparatively very low, and less rainfall are present in that area. The mostly the oak and coniferous plants are present on that temperate mountain forest. Then fourth types of the forest which are present in India are the subalpine forest. In that, the altitude of that subalpine forest is 2800 to the 3800 meters. The rainfall less than the 65 centimeters, but the in that areas these snowfalls are occurs. Mostly the in the Himalayan, specifically the Ladakh region, there the subalpine forests are present. The plants like Butea, Curcus, Pyrus, Junipers, then Salix are the present in the subalpine forest. Then last one is the alpine forest, or which is also called as the cold deserts. So these altitude of that forest are the 2900 to the 6000 meters. Mostly it is found in the Himalayas, and the plants which are present in that area are the Quercus, Betula, Pinus, Abyss, Rhododendron. These are the mostly these plants are present in that area. So this is the different types of forest which are present in the Indian climate. So main the five types of forest present in India. First one is the first type of forest which are present in India, that is the tropical forest. Then second one is the subtropical mountain forest. Third one is the temperate mountain forest. Fourth one is the subalpine forest, and last one is the alpine forest. So most of the MCQs questions are asking on the area and their plants which are mostly specifically present, and which area. On that way, these different MCQs are asking for in your exams, like the thorny or spiny plant, those plants which are present in which type of forest. So mostly the spiny and the thorny plants, those are present in which areas, I have tell you. So mostly the tropical thorn forest, these thorny or spiny plants are present. So like that, different types of MCQs are asking on that different types. So now I stop here.